I posted a video the other day around teenage brains and just the changes that happen, particularly about pruning. I was asked a question around how is that different, if at all, within neurodivergent brains. So I thought I'd just respond to that. So if we think about some cells in the brain whose job it is, almost like a gardener, to prune some of the neural networks back that become very overcrowded as we are born with more pathways than what we'd need. So in the autistic brain, there's less of that pruning happens than neurotypical brains sometimes. And so what that means is it leaves more pathways behind. So that's where we see things like richer, detailed thinking, sometimes more processing, concentrated processing ability to focus on things. I guess the flip side is because there's more wiring left in place, the potential is for overwhelm in that the pruning process has not turned the noise down. ADHD brains have been noted to carry out this pruning process later and in patchier areas. So what that might mean is hyperconnections remaining and noisier activity in the person's brain, making that more difficult to focus and concentrate on things. There's also some newer research out that also looks at, in addition to genetics, that things to do with the gut microbiome also has an effect on that pruning process and the uptake of the cells. So for anybody's brain, what's important is that we remember some teenagers are more vulnerable and so need support while going through this process. So pruning is changed by experiences. So if the person is exposed to threat, exclusion, stress, constantly being felt like they're separate or left out, then that changes that neural pathway, it strengthens that neural pathway, and not for the better. If we want better outcomes for people, particularly some more susceptible teenagers, what we need to do is fix the support around them and fix the environment around them. We don't need to worry about fixing people's brains. Our concentration should be more about support and understanding.